Ronaldo é muito talentoso.
Zlatan is a football god. Everyone knows Zlatan. He does all kinds of amazing tricks all day. I know you like it.
É muito ambicioso.
You know Zlatan? There's only one Zlatan. I was born old and I will die young.
Ronaldo é pura perfeição.
I make 3,000 abs per day, you know?
Ronaldo, au, au.
I'm just like the finest wine. The older I am, the better I get. I can't help myself but laugh at how perfect I am. Perfect I am.
Talentoso, ambicioso, bonito, grande, enorme, rápido. Perfeito. Au, au.
I do not need a trophy to tell myself that I'm the best of the best, but I wouldn't of course say no to a cup of the Euro show.
Eu sou muito precioso. Eu sou muito bonito. Venha dançar comigo. Ai, mamita, mamacita.
When Zlatan looks in the mirror, nothing appears. You know why is that? There can never be a second Zlatan.
He's Cristiano Ronaldo, so be prepared. Talent like his, you won't see anywhere. For him, goals and tricks come so easily. So who's the best player in the world?
Messi! Messi!